Would you like to know more about microneedling? Who benefits from microneedling? If you have aging skin, saggy skin, or starting to have fine lines, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have open pores and you want to shrink pores, if you have uneven skin tone and skin texture, if you have stretch marks, if you have a hair loss and you want to have a thicker hair, that's mean microneedling, or aka dermarolling is the same thing. It is right for you. What is microneedling? Microneedling is the same as a dermarolling. When you take microneedle tool, my favorite microneedle tool, it is Dermaroller. There is Dermarollers, there is aqua pens, there is derma pens, there is multiple kind of stamps, there is microneedle mask, bunch of microneedle tools on the market right now. But my favorite microneedle tools, it is Dermaroller, basically a tool that has multiple needles inside, only real individual needles, not fake. I don't like fake dermarollers like this because they don't have needles inside. They simply have those kind of wheels. When you zoom in, you will see, I have a video I can post somewhere right here. I have a video showing what's actually inside through microscope, how does it look like and how this damages our skin. Check out the video. Anyway, so micro punctures are being done by tiny needles. When we insert the needles in the skin, it kind of causing tiny minimal wounding, and then all your body sends all the good healing cells. Imagine like an ambulance coming and healing your skin. You are reversing signs of aging and all those benefits that I mentioned way before that. Basically, your elastin, your collagen, everything improves in your skin circulation and you start to age backwards. We have on my website, because I'm obsessed with microneedle rollers, we have 6 sizes. So 0.20, it is for sensitive skin, 0.25, it is for beginners, 0.5 for mainly wrinkles, 75 for acne scars or small scars, 1 millimeter for deep acne scars, and 1.5 it is body dermaroller, only for the body. You can check out my website. There is a table, exact size for exact tissue. For the scalp is 0.5, 0.75 or 1 millimeter, depends, you know, a lot of stuff, but we do have 6 sizes. So how do I prepare my skin before a microneedle session? I am gonna be using one dermaroller. Whoa, no, I'm not gonna be using that one for sure. And I'm gonna be using 0.5 dermaroller because that's the best for me. That's my favorite size and the favorite size of another 2,567 clients of mine. We sell over like 5,000 units a year just of that size. So what I'm doing, how I'm going to prepare my skin and my roller, I'm going to be using alcohol wipes like this from pharmacy. You can see, you can take a screenshot, picture, wherever. Basically, I'm going to be doing like a lazy way. I'm taking one of those pads. I'm opening, expanding on my hand right here like that. And I'm gonna roll that. I already disinfected today, but I'm just showing to you how to do that. So just rolling on that, rolling, and that's gonna be disinfected. Then I'm leaving in the case until it's gonna get dry, and then I'm going to do double cleansing or maybe even triple cleansing for my skin. I'm gonna be using, that's my favorite cleanser, Dr. Brand Peach Balanced Yogurt Cleanser, basically with probiotics. I really like that. And then of course, without that, Amber Beauty HA exfoliating cleanser. We want to exfoliate the dead skin cells, light exfoliation. You don't want to go too crazy. Don't exfoliate too much before microneedling because that's going to be too much stress for your skin. I don't recommend you exfoliate like crazy the same day, maybe 2 days before and the night before. So this one, let me go wash off my skin. I'm gonna be back because I don't have anything right here, as you see. Maybe I should.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is how I prep my skin for microneedle. Make sure you disinfect your hands, which I already did. So what do we use before or after microneedling? You know what I forgot, guys? This is like for energy clearing. This is something like natural spray. I'm just like very spiritual person. It just feels so good. Ooh. Okay, so what do we use before or after? We use what I do. I do after. I just love after. If you want before, that's fine, totally okay. You can use serum creams before, but what I am using before, after, not before, I'm using after. I actually love after. I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid serum and vitamin C serum together. This is very, very liquidy, like water. You want to use hyaluronic acid serum with something that is water, that will absorb that moisture from that other product, but not from your skin, because most likely hyaluronic is absorbing moisture, and if you're living in the dry climate or winter like it is right now, it might gonna suck out dryness, all this moisture from your skin, and your skin is gonna be dry. Especially when you use microneedle roller, you are going to be a little bit more drier than usually. So what I'm gonna be using after hyaluronic acid and vitamin C brightening. I have some redness going on. I have my period coming tomorrow, so that's what's happening. We all women, right? We know what's going on during the period, right? So hyaluronic hydrate, this vitamin C brightening, anti-aging, I love it. And maybe at the end, I will see how my skin is. I'm gonna be using cream, moisturizing, hydrating, repair, vitamin C plus collagen cream. So are you ready to start it? How long does it take to see results? Like, it's so different. You can see results tomorrow, or you might gonna need few months to see results. Like, really, really differently, depends on everyone's skins. How old are you? What's your gender? What is your race? Like, really, really. But most likely, if you're gonna start with 0.5, you're gonna be able to see results tomorrow, like slight results, right? Some people might, it depends what you want. If you want just a little bit, glow on the skin, definitely tomorrow. If you have deep acne scars, you need to do a lot of sessions. I am being very, very honest. I am very, very open, but I'm straightforward telling you, if you want to get rid of acne scars, that can take 6 to 12 months at least, but it's possible, and that's super cheap. All right, so how do I do this? I'm starting with the forehead, always lifting, slight lift, slide lift, slide lift, slide lift. If you first time, 6 to 10 times maximum in one direction on your forehead. If you advance, you can do 20. I am doing, I don't know, just feeling. I'm kind of connected to my skin, and I'm feeling what my skin is asking. Now, if you're a baby crying for the pain, you might gonna want to use numbing cream. I'm gonna list down below all the products that I'm recommending to be used after microneedling or before microneedling numbing cream. So I did probably like 10-15 times, and now I'm gonna go always lift, lift, lift. I'm gonna be doing fast because I always do fast. So let's say I'm gonna go, this is a third slide, fourth. Don't be afraid to push. Forehead can be sensitive because we don't have much fat over there. That's totally okay. If you're a baby, don't start with the forehead. Start with the cheeks. Cheeks are least painful. Okay, so I did, let's say 10 times, right? For the first time, you see it's red, but not that crazy. For the first time, it's fine. If you're advanced, you can do X's like that. Side, 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 if you're advanced, right? That's it. Now let's jump to the cheek. Super simple. First session shouldn't last more than 5 minutes, like literally. Let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, that's it. If you want to do neck, you can do neck as well. For the neck video, I have a separate video. I'm gonna put somewhere right here above. You can check it out. I'm gonna start up this cheek. Okay, it's hurting, but not that much. Like, I can handle. If you guys, some of you gave a birth to a child, that's nothing. I heard from women that gave a birth. I have not done this, so I don't know. Okay, and then I'm gonna go side, especially pressing a little bit here because I have saggedness in my cheek. So I'm pressing, 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 pressing. Remember, 6 to 10 times for beginners. You can do up to 20 times if you're advanced. And then going to the next cheek, not cheek, cheek. Okay, up, up, up. This cheek is always more sensitive to me, and that's totally normal. Don't freak out if some areas of your face are more sensitive than the others. You can dermaroll if you have rosacea, totally. This is what I have, a little bit of rosacea. And then You can dermaroll if you have like a white heads, black heads, that's totally fine. You cannot dermaroll if you have acne, strictly no acne, especially inflamed like white acne with the white heads. I think I already did like 10 times. I'm gonna do a little bit extra on my chin here. It looks like I'm rolling back and forth, but I'm not. I'm actually rolling, lifting, rolling, lifting. I'm gonna do a little bit here. And then a little bit on the nose, because for those pores, who don't want to get rid, who doesn't want to get rid of those pores, right? On the nose, actually, directions don't matter. You can go up, side, down, side, wherever. Like this. And then you know what I want to do on my lips? From my lips is sensitive. So basically that's it, guys. It's literally less than 5 minutes. And look, I'm gonna apply first vitamin C, which is with sodium ascorbyl phosphate. You do not want to apply L-ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C form that actually gonna burn your skin. You want to apply, this is what I have, this is my brand with sodium ascorbyl phosphate, best vitamin C serum on the market that you can use after microneedling. This is what I designed. I designed this serum to be used just after microneedling. You can use not just with microneedling, but this serum is the best. If you can find on the market serum to be used after microneedling, this is the serum. And now I'm following with the hyaluronic acid serum, which you want to follow because hyaluronic, as I already mentioned, serum attracts moisture most likely from the air, and if your ear is dry, it's gonna attract moisture from your skin, right? You don't want to do that. Now, if you want other videos, how I dermaroll eye zone, I have video over here as well. I have lips microneedling video, gonna post also right here. More videos is gonna be down below in the description box. And gentle, very gentle, with no pressure. You might feel a little bit burning sensation. That's totally fine. You can handle. If you see I just handle, you can handle too, right? Can everyone microneedle? Most of the time, yes, everybody can microneedling. Do microneedling. There is no age limit. You can do microneedling. There is absolutely no age limit. Only one exception if you have active acne, which is red inflamed acne with the white tips. You cannot do that. Does microneedling have side effects? And yes and no. If you have dry skin and you use Dermaroller or any other microneedling tool, you might gonna have extra dry skin for the next couple of days. Don't freak out, just use a lot of moisturizer, oils. Make sure you use SPF at all times and you don't go directly in the sun. Aftercare, very simple. Make sure for the next there is 72-hour rule after microneedling. 72, remember 72 hours. No gym, I don't recommend because it's kind of can burn. It's not gonna happen anything, but it burns the skin. Like when you exercise and when you sweat, it burns the skin. It's not happening, it's not damaging your skin, but it's gonna burn, just letting you know. No sun for 72 hours strictly. Use SPF. Make sure that you dermaroll only at night. Make sure that you follow the chart. If you follow the chart. If you have a 0.5 dermaroller, make sure that you're not using more often than once a week. Please do not overuse it. Then make sure when you shower you don't put too much hot water. That's also going to make you feel uncomfortable. No sun. Try to have a big ass hat, big sunglasses, a lot of SPF if you are in the summer going outside for a walk, walking dog or running somewhere and stuff like this. I don't know. If you have any more questions, guys, leave me down below. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you have any more questions, maybe I forgot something, add down below in the comment section. Bye. Love you. Stay gorgeous. Bye.